What I'm doing is the drain from the condensation line for the refrigerator outside. I'll show you where that is. Deteriorated and went away. Anyway, so here's the line. You can see where the red line goes to. It's right here. So there was a piece of plastic was really deteriorated, and if you look on the forums it says that they have this issue with them all. So what I did was I got some hard rubber tubing, because it's only condensate line, and I ran from up here. I drilled through this box, and you have to take the drawer out inside. I'll show you inside in a minute. And then I brought it through here, and you have to be careful when you're drilling up through here. I'll cut this off and caulk this all up so that we don't have any bugs. This is the condensate line for the refrigerator. So let me go back inside and I'll show you where the tie-in is. This isn't going to be the same on all motorhomes because this is a 27.5 DS. Now, I had to take the drawer out to get to the back of the refrigerator, but you can see where I brought the line through, and then it passed through, and I put it between here and here so it passes through the floor right there. You got to be very careful that you don't puncture any of your copper lines for your water or your gas. Just make sure, if you have some doubt, let somebody else do it. But anyway, that was my repair for the refrigerator, because what was happening was the water was running out, and it was coming all down here and running down, and you can see where it destroyed. Apparently the person before me that owned this had a lot of issues with it, and he didn't have the right repair done on it. Anyway, that's how I fixed it.